Hi guys, this message is for you if you're living in Canada, Cayman, UK or Bermuda. One of my biggest challenge is making you understand what globalization has done to the shipping industry. Now, admittedly, we're living in a fast moving world where the internet is the base or the floor on which every business is transact. 50% of my customers are in Jamaica. They stay in their living room and do their shopping in US, Canada, or wherever. Send it to the account that they already have set up with us from our website, of course, where they're given a mailbox number. Send your package to our centralized warehouse in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and we send it back home to them in Jamaica. Now, as you know, Fort Lauderdale, Florida is one of the closest shipping points to Jamaica from anywhere in the world. Geographically, it is one of the closest. Now, from time to time, I get calls from persons in Cayman, Canada, say they have a barrel and they want to just drop it off at the store around the corner. Unfortunately, we do not provide that service. And that is because of globalization. We are now in a place where you can do all your shopping, send it to us via the internet, and we get it done for you. If you are having any problems with setting up an account, you can give us a call at any point in time. We'll be more than happy to walk you through sending off your first package and making you a part of the family. Looking forward to talking to you.